Namaste dear students. Today we are going to learn about decimal numbers. Before decimal numbers, we have learned about fractions. So we are going to have a quick recap. What do you mean by decimal number and how it is connected with fractions? In fraction, it is made up of numerator and denominator. Okay. Now in types of fraction, we have learned one type of fraction, that is decimal fraction. What do you mean by decimal fraction? A fraction where denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000. A fraction where denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 is called fractional decimal fraction. And decimal number is another form of representing decimal fraction. Means we can write decimal fraction in form of decimal number and decimal number in form of decimal fraction. Okay. Now, decimal number is made up of two parts. First part is called integral part and second part is called fractional part. And both the parts are divided by a simple dot or called point, which is also called decimal point. Decimal point. Now, in our daily life, where we are using such numbers? Just think. Yes, when we are talking about temperature, isn't it? When we are talking about money, at that time also decimal numbers are there. Again, where we are using decimal numbers, such type of numbers. Yes, when we are measuring anything, for example, distance or weight or liquid form, that is kilometer, centimeter, we are having decimal numbers. So, the decimal is of two parts, that is whole part or a decimal part. Now, if I am having a number 46.328, as this is I am having decimal point here, so this is my integral part or a whole part, and this part is called my decimal part. How to read this number? 46.328. We are going to read it as 328. Now let us see how to write its place value. Now suppose I am having a 3-digit number. Its places will be ones, tens and 100, and the respective place value will be 1, tens and hundreds. Okay. Now what if I want to move from my right side? This is my right side and this is my left side. If I want to move from right to left, so I have to multiply the place value with 10. Again, if I want to move from tens to 100, I have to multiply tens with tens. Okay, means what? As I move from right to left, the place value becomes bigger, 10 times bigger in every step. It becomes 10 times bigger at every step. What if now I want to move from left to right? If I want to move from left to right, I have to divide 100 with tens. If I am moving from 100 to tens, I will divide it by 10. Now again, if I want to move from tens to 100 once, I will divide it by 10. If I want to move from tens to ones, I will divide it by tens. Now, if I want to move further after ones also, I have reached till ones. Again, if I want to move towards my right side, so what will I do? Of course, divide it by 100. Divide it by 100. But the place value of one's place is 1. So, place value of this will be 1 by 10. How? 1 divided by 10. 1 divided by 10. So the place value of this new place will be 1 by 10th, and this is called 10th place, and this will be denoted as small t, and this is written as 10th, T-E-N-T-H. Again, if I want to move further towards my right side, of course I will have to divide it by 10. So I will get 1 by 100. And this also is written as small h. See, in this side I have to write it as capital, and this side I have to write it as 10 side. Now, if I write any number, I may get confused whether it is a place value or a decimal place value. So for that we are giving decimal point. Here is always a decimal point, and then this is 10th place, this is 100th place, TH. Again, if I move further, I will have to divide 100th place by 10, so I will get 1 by 1000. So that will be called as 1000th place. Okay. Now let us see some examples. Yes, 432. Now I am having 432. How to write the expanded form of this number? Of course, we know that 2 is in 1's place, 3 is in 10's place, 4 is in 100 place. So we will write 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So that is 400 plus 30 plus 2. So this is how we are writing expanded form of a normal numbers. Now how to write expanded form of decimal numbers? For that we are having 432.863. So now this is in my 1's place, this is my 10's place, this is my 100th place. Same way, this 8 is in my 10's place, 6 is in my 100th place, 100th place, 3 is in my 1000th place, TH place. So how to write? 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus 8 is in 1/10th place. So 8 into 1 by 10 plus 6 is in 100th place. So 6 into 1 by 100 plus 3 is in 1000th place. So 3 into 1 by 1000. So this we can write in this manner also, that is 4 into 100 is 400 plus 3 into 10 is 30 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 8 into 1 by 10 is 8 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100 is 6 by 100 plus 3 into 1 by 1000 is 3 by 1000. So this is how we have to write the expanded form of a decimal number. Now we will know how to write the place value of a desired number from the given decimal number. Now I am having a number 408.21. What is the place value of 4 in this number? 4 is in which place? 100. So place value of 4 will be 400. I want to write place value. Place value of 4 will be 400. Now in this number, 4 is in 1/10th place. 1/10th place. So its place value will be 4 by 10. So its place value will be 4 by 10. Now in this number 386.254. So 4 is in, we will count it from decimal. This is 10th, 100 and 1000. 1000th place. So its place value will be 4 by 1000. Okay. In this number 831.546. So what will be its place value? 4 is in 100th place. So 4 by 100. So in this way we can write the expanded form and place value of the given decimal numbers. Thank you.